it's a nice day to teach you about maths today. So today I'm going to teach you about the three-dimensional figure, and the subtopic today is about the distance. Right, so let's go on. Well, in the three-dimensional figure, we will know about the distance from a point to a line. The dimensional figure itself is like cube or prism or pyramid. But then before that, I'm going to explain you more about the definition. Yeah. The first point or the main thing you should know is the concept. So, for example, I have a point A and line C. Then the definition of the distance is first we have to make the projection of point A towards line BC, and the projection, it must be perpendicular, or say it has 90 degrees of angles. So I make it like this. This is perpendicular, and then I name it as B prime. So the distance of point A to line BC is A B prime. Remember, it has to be the projection which is perpendicular to the line.
Okay, cube ABCD, the H is 4, P midpoint AP, Q midpoint HD. Find the distance of Q to line P.
Okay, so everyone, our aim here is to find the distance, from Q to the line PG. Don't forget our concept before. If I have the distance from a point to a line, that means I have to draw the projection, which is perpendicular to the line. So draw the projection of Q here to the line PG. So I draw it perpendicular, remember? And then I call this the projection is M. M is the projection of Q to PG. So the distance of Q to PG is represented by the line QM. So our purpose here is finding the line of QM. Okay, so by connecting all of the points here, so I just have to connect Q and P, P and G, and then the last is Q and G. So we got a triangle. After we draw the Q and the triangle as well, we got the triangle here, so we have to analyze. Remember, mathematics is not about remembering the formula, but it's also about analyzing and understanding the situation or the problems. Okay, so let's analyze. The first one is the kind of triangle. Is it the right triangle or is it non-right triangle? Okay, let's see. So here we have a cube. Let's see, here we have G, H, and Q. Or if I enlarge it, it's the side of this cube. Okay, so you see this whiteboard? In the corner here, imagine this is the square. The corner here is right triangle. You got it? Well, similarly, if I see here P, G, H, Q, so the corner here must be right triangle. Okay, So if here is 90 degrees, then other angles, this one and this one, they are not right angle. Are they? Understand? Agree? Okay, so it means the Q here isn't also right triangle. So what I can write here, the triangle B, this is B, Q, G is non-right triangle. Okay, so it means we can't use the so remember you guys, if I have sine means demi, yeah, in bahasa Indonesia, or cosine means saperni, we can't use it, yeah, since this is non-right triangle. Okay, alternatively we will have to use cosine or sine rule. Okay. Okay, so the second one, the thing we have to analyze again is the length of triangle. Anyway, this cosine and sine rule is like the prerequisite material, or you possibly got it from the 10th grade, so I hope you understand it again or recall it again. Yeah, just recall it. Also, okay, just start. Next, the length of triangle. Let's analyze it. Okay, I will just move this triangle, yeah, into this. Just redraw it. This is P, Q, G, and remember it's M. Yeah, remember this is perpendicular, so it means it's a right triangle. So you can probably use this one, not probably, but of course, certainly, you certainly can use this one. Okay, so let's analyze the length. The first one is PQ. Okay, PQ here, see it here? PQ here is the hypotenuse, yeah, and if I move it, just here, this is PDQ. PQ is the hypotenuse, yeah. DP here is also hypotenuse, you see? Yeah, this one is 2 and this one is 4, so it means DP is the square root of 2 squared plus 4 squared. Did you get it? Next one, DQ. Yeah, DQ, because Q is the midpoint, then it must be 2. Yeah, it's half of 4. Yeah, so we have the PQ itself is the square root of this like this, so plus this, so the square plus 4 square plus 2 square. Get it? So we got what? Okay, this is 4 plus 4, and PQ here is the square root of 20. Okay, so with the same way, I want you to find the length of the side VG and QG as well by using the Pythagorean theorem. Please do it. Okay, have you done, everyone? Let's check if your answer is correct. Well, so what I got is the length of PG equals the square root of 36, and then the length of QG is the square root of 20. If you haven't answered the correct one, so please just do it again. So, okay, before I told you that we will use the cosine or the sine rule, but then here I will choose the cosine rule. Why? First, the cosine rule. Here we have got all of the length of the sides. Yeah. If we use the sine rule, we must have at least two angles. Yeah. To I mean the size or the measurement itself. Yeah, because we have known the size of the angle, so we choose the cosine. Okay. Well, let me remind you the cosine rule. Yeah. If I have a square, yeah, equals. If this one is a square, then this one has to be the angle of A itself, so it's supposed to be correspondence. Yeah. Then this is A square, so we use the other sides, those are B square plus C square, and then minus the multiplication of them. Yeah. 2BC. Yeah. Sorry. Times cos A. Okay. Well, so if then I suppose this one is theta, the angle is theta, or can we put theta here? Of course you can. Yeah, just experience it by yourself. You will find the magic. Okay, so if then I write this one is cos theta. Yeah, so we have this one is, yeah, the opponent side. This one is PQ. Yeah, so this side, yeah, PQ square equals the other side is PG square plus QG square minus 2 times PG times QG cos theta. Yeah, or I will move it here. Yeah, so I have 2 PG times QG cos theta equals, yeah, I move the Q off there, so I got PG square. Get it? Okay, well, anyway, we have the right triangle here. Yeah, of course we also get well, just right on over here. Yeah, this one, yeah, this triangle MQG. Yeah, MQG, we have cos theta. Yeah, cos is saperni, yeah, in bahasa Indonesia. So I will just write it here. Yeah, we also have cos theta equals sami. Yeah, the sa itself is mg. Yeah, mg over mi is qg. Right? We get the two result of cos theta, so they must be similar. Get it? Just minimize this. Everyone, simply got that mg equals 8 over 3. Yeah, you see here. Yeah, I just cut the right triangle there. Yeah. So we have this one m, q, this is g. Here the length of mg equals 8 over 3. Then we will find easily the distance from q to the line PG, that is qm. Yeah. So it's the hypotenuse square minus the this mg square. Yeah. So we have the 20 minus 64 over 9, or it's equals this one. Yeah. square root of, sorry, okay, so I think that's all from me. Remember, you have to experience it for yourself. Try to connect everything, try to recall in your memory, and of course the main thing is remember the concept. We know that the globe is small, but the world is wider to be explored.